What's up, world? It's your boy Master Will. This is Rolling Thunder. This is my man cave audio shop. This is my house. Gonna go over some stuff with Rolling Thunder for y'all. Y'all been following this truck for a long time, you know what I'm saying? SPL cartel base knob right here. So smooth and accurate. SPX tweeters right here. Team SKAR audio custom grills from my boy Beefy Beats. 4 SKAR PAX 6.5 that I've had in this truck. Going on 5 years now. Yeah, I went to Slamology 2018, top 10 Georgia Loudest. Team No Wall Kings. Team Second Skin. 130 plus parking pound, 150 plus headrest. Yeah, I'm the king of bass in Metal, Georgia. As y'all know, that's the big tear from way back in the day. Of course, you know, I'm Team Hertz, Team SKAR audio captain. This is my other panel. Yeah, it's broke. It's split. That's that bass life I do for you.